बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं हूँ आपका मेज़बान जाबिर ख़ान तुरखेल और आप देख रहे दरसमन मीडिया। आज हमारी नशिस्त है ज़रा ताहिर साहब के साथ, जो कि यहाँ जामिया बैतुस्सलाम में बच्चों को इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं। सर, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. I am from DI Khan, KBK.
गुड। सो हाउ मेनी टाइम यू स्पेंट हियर फॉर टीचिंग?
Well, it's my 7th year in this Jamia. For the first 4 years, I studied myself, and now for the last 3 years, I have been an assistant teacher over here.
So there is a question. A lot of our scholars, a lot of ulama, they don't like learning English. So because when everyone learn English, so he accept the culture. So why you teach English?
Well, it's also the vision of our patron, Sheikh Abdusattar Hafidahullah. He has this vision that once we learn English, we get the exposure to the outside world. Because the community of only our madrasas and ulama, that is very much limited. We also have to take care of other Muslims living within Pakistan, living outside Pakistan, and as well as being Muslims, we carry the responsibility of the whole nation and the whole world. So we can convey our message easily once we know English.
There are how many departments in this madrasa?
In this madrasa, there are 3 departments. One department is for Quran, that is Darul Quran, in which the students only memorize the Holy Quran. The second department of the contemporary education, in which the students study basic English also, then O-level syllabus, metric syllabus. And then we also have the religious department, in which the students study Arabic language course, and A-level with Darsi Nizam in Arabic medium.
So the learning English is necessary for everyone student?
Learning students English, that is the environment provided to school students, the students who study in the department of contemporary education. So they are first taught English, and then the whole environment 24 hours they have to speak in English. That's compulsory for them.
So what are the provisions of admission?
Well, in the first department, the Hifz Quran department, in that we take the students who the age limit for that is 11 years. I mean the students who are below 11 years. And that is, we also take the students of only constituency of Chakwal. And for school department and religious education department, we take students from all across Pakistan. The admission criteria for the contemporary education department is 13 years is the age limit. Also, the qualification of primary, the education level should be of primary level. So we take tests in that. The students who pass that test on merit list, so they are taken.
So what's your message for parents and other Islamic students?
Well, my message for them is, wherever they are, they need to work hard. They also have to broaden their vision and keeping in mind the current requirements of the Muslim Ummah, and what troubles and the difficulties that the Muslim Ummah feels, and their requirements. So keeping these things in mind, we all of us, our students, should work hard wherever, in whichever institution they are, so that they can help all the Muslims who are in trouble, who are facing problems, and inshallah we hope our future world will be much better.
Would you like to invite the people for subscribe our channel?
Yes, surely. I was really happy to see the name of your channel, and I got happy that you are coming, because it's I saw the first channel from Madrasa Institute which carries such a great responsibility. So we would like other people to subscribe this channel and support you in any way they can.
So what's your message for the people? They think the Madaris Talaba, they can't speak English.
My message for them is that they should come themselves and visit the madrasas, so they have good idea. It is because they have never visited any madrasa, so they don't have any idea. They just get the news from outside, and they believe on people what they say. They should come themselves and ask the students, interact with the students. After that, they will get to know what is taught in madrasa, and inshallah they will be very much satisfied. And we have seen many people who have been in madrasa after long time, after 30 years, 40 years of their life, and their mind is changed within 2 hours.
So thanks a lot, you gave us the time. So ये थे सरतायर साहब जो यहाँ के बच्चों को इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं। तो चूँकि मुझे बज़ात खुद इंग्लिश नहीं आती, इसलिए मैंने तो टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश बोली है, लेकिन उन्होंने माशाल्लाह इंग्लिश बोली और यहाँ के बच्चे जो थे उन्होंने बोली हैं। अल्लाह ताला इस इदारे को ता क़यामत आबाद रखे और यहाँ का फैज़ पूरी दुनिया पर कायम व जारी रखे। वस्सलाम।